All right, folks. Today we're diving into the wild world of crypto millionaires. You know, those lucky few who somehow turn digital coins into gold. Get ready to uncover their secrets, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be the next crypto sensation. First up, meet the hodlers. These brave souls held onto their Bitcoin for dear life, even when it seemed like everyone else was jumping ship. Remember 2017, when Bitcoin soared to $20K and then crashed faster than my New Year's resolutions? Yeah, they didn't flinch. They stayed strong, and now they're laughing all the way to the bank. Next, the early adopters. These are the folks who saw potential in crypto way before it was cool. They bought Bitcoin when it was cheaper than a cup of coffee. Just imagine buying a few thousand coins for the price of a Starbucks latte. Today, those coins are worth more than my student loans. If only I had that kind of foresight. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget about the risk takers. These guys and gals dabbled in altcoins. You know, those lesser-known cryptos that sound more like sci-fi characters than currencies. They invested in Dogecoin when it was just a meme, turning a joke into serious cash. Who knew that Shiba Inu would be the face of financial revolution? Certainly not my grandma. And then there are the tech-savvy geniuses. These masterminds don't just invest, they build. They create blockchain projects, develop decentralized apps, and basically live and breathe crypto. It's like they have a PhD in Satoshi Nakamoto. Their secret? Combining passion with innovation. They don't just ride the wave, they make it. Finally, the networkers. These social butterflies know everyone in the crypto space. They attend conferences, join online forums, and network like there's no tomorrow. Their mantra? It's not what you know, it's who you know. And in the crypto world, connections can be worth more than gold. So, what's the ultimate secret to becoming a crypto millionaire? A mix of patience, risk-taking, tech know-how, and a dash of luck. But hey, even if you don't hit the jackpot, at least you'll have some fun along the way. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe, and who knows, maybe your crypto journey will be the next big story. Catch you later.